355 Farms again, and it is officially here. The final thing that I have ordered to improve my channel, and here we will open it up. Tape cut. I really like sticking around there good. There it is. It's actually smaller than what I thought it would be, and that's actually really good because I was looking for something really compact. But yep, I went with the Hero 4 Series Silver. I heard it was really good. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice piece of hardware. And there's some specs for you if you want to take a look at them, if you want to pause it and see them exactly. There's some more. Hopefully the camera focus is good enough. Yep. That should be that. And here, if I can figure out how to open the box. There we go. I guess that's one way to do it. Release from your box. I don't want to get angry and break you. That's not my objective. Well, I guess we're going to rip your bottom off before your top gets to come out. Here are a couple adhesive mounts for mounting it. There's one mount. There's another mount with a screw on it to loosen or tighten it. There's a couple of covers for the case, I would imagine. USB cable. And your battery. Clearly I'm missing a piece of tape somewhere that I cannot find. There it is. There we go. And there's your owner manual, which is absolutely huge. More big than what I would think, but there's another one, some stickers, and your multiple language book. Yep. And if there's a way... There we go. And for the camera itself, very nice, smaller, lightweight. You can handle it pretty easily. And once you pop that loose, I would imagine that would There we go. Okay, so that pops off the top, and then your back door drops down. And then you can take that out of the case for just functions that you don't need it in the case for. As simple as that. Small, you've got your viewfinder on the back end, pretty large. And your front one, which may be a viewfinder, not sure. Not very familiar with these. But underneath that panel, you've got your USB cables, charging, etc. I can get it back on. Okay. And that's your battery door, of course, where your battery slides in. Like so. Plastic film on it you gotta take off in order to do that. And then you basically got the one battery with it. And previously I've picked up two more and a dual charger, as you probably remember from the other day's video. So I should have enough battery power to last a while. And with the 64 gigabyte memory card, that should get me through a day. I really shouldn't need any more storage than that. And aside from that, that should be most everything. So, yep. I've got everything I need in order to have a good functioning video. And with these guys right here, the adhesive mount pads, my objective for these is to, not 100% sure what he is, but my objective is to basically take whichever one of these is more surface area for sticking, and then get a hold of a really good magnet and just sticking this to the top non-magnetized side of the magnet, mount the camera on top of it, and I can go ahead and just stick it to any piece of metal I'm working to with the magnet, and it should be able to be very versatile when working with anything I need it for. So that should basically cover that. But yep, that's all for the review. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also on the Rogue Rancher channel as well. And thank you, and I will see you in the next video.